Electric vacuum cleaners are one of the most commonly used electronic devices for cleaning in our homes. These devices help us clean by sucking up dust, dirt, and other pollutants using vacuum power. So, how does an electric vacuum cleaner work? Electric vacuum cleaners typically consist of a motor, a fan, and a filtration system. The motor powers the rotation of the fan, which creates the airflow in the vacuum cleaner head. This airflow allows the vacuum to draw in air and dust, directing them through filters and releasing clean air. The motor of the vacuum cleaner operates on electric energy and spins the fan to create the airflow. The fan is usually a multi-bladed impeller that generates the vacuum effect in the suction chamber. As the airflow passes through the vacuum cleaner head, it pulls in dust and other pollutants and directs them towards the filter. The purpose of the filter is to separate dust and other contaminants from the air, trapping them before the vacuum releases the air back out. Another important feature of electric vacuum cleaners is the cleaning heads. Cleaning heads are designed in different shapes and sizes to suit the cleaning of carpets, parquet floors, wooden surfaces, and other types of surfaces. The heads can also be adjusted to different heights according to the surface being cleaned. How can you achieve energy efficiency while using an electric vacuum cleaner? What are the advantages and disadvantages of cordless electric vacuum cleaners? How easy and efficient is the use of robotic electric vacuum cleaners? For all this and more, before starting the video, if you're interested in universal economic history, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos I upload every day. Enjoy the watch.
Universal economic history.
The history of electric vacuum cleaners dates back to ancient times. The first electric vacuum cleaner was built in England in the late 1880s, towards the end of the 19th century. This first electric vacuum cleaner consisted of a combination of a motor, a fan, and a dust bag. It used a fan to suck in dust and other pollutants, creating a vacuum effect. The first electric vacuum cleaner was a cumbersome and laborious device primarily used in the homes of wealthy families. However, as technology advanced, electric vacuum cleaners became more compact and convenient, becoming a much more common tool for household cleaning. By the 1920s, electric vacuum cleaners had become lighter and more portable, allowing for easy access to every corner of homes. During this period, electric vacuum cleaners became a time-saving tool that made life easier for women in households. In the 1960s, several innovations were made in electric vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaner heads were made more ergonomic, and the noise level of vacuum cleaners was reduced. Additionally, bagless vacuum cleaners were introduced during this period. Automation has played a significant role in the production of electric vacuum cleaners in recent years. Automation reduces human errors and time wastage in the manufacturing process, enabling faster and more efficient production. Electric vacuum cleaner manufacturers benefit from automation by achieving higher production levels using less labor. Robotic technologies, in particular, have had a significant impact on the production of electric vacuum cleaners. Robots are used in processes such as the production and assembly of vacuum cleaner parts, minimizing human errors. This prevents production flaws and ensures the production of higher quality products. Furthermore, automation provides electric vacuum cleaner manufacturers with greater flexibility in their production processes. Making changes on the production line and adding new products becomes easier. This allows manufacturers to produce according to demand. Innovation has led to significant advancements in electric vacuum cleaner technologies in recent years. Innovation allows for the improvement of existing products through new ideas and technologies. Electric vacuum cleaner manufacturers have developed more efficient, user-friendly, and intelligent products through innovation. For example, cordless electric vacuum cleaners have become popular in recent years. These products increase users' mobility, making home cleaning easier. Additionally, the battery technologies of cordless vacuums have been improved to provide longer operating times. Another example of innovation is robotic vacuum cleaners. These products reduce the time spent by homeowners on cleaning and can be programmed to automatically clean specific areas of the home. Robotic vacuum cleaners help users spend less time maintaining a clean home. Cordless electric vacuum cleaners offer several advantages over traditional corded vacuums. However, they also have some disadvantages. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of cordless electric vacuum cleaners. Advantages: increased mobility. Cordless vacuums are easier to maneuver around the house since there are no cords, providing users with more freedom of movement. Users can easily reach areas without cable restrictions, such as lampposts, high shelves, or hard-to-reach places. Ease of use. Cordless vacuums can be placed anywhere in the house and charged in any electrical outlet. Users save time on cleaning and can allocate more time to other tasks since less time is required for house cleaning. Lightweight. Cordless vacuums are generally lighter than traditional vacuums. This allows users to carry and use them more easily. Disadvantages: short battery life. Cordless vacuums typically have shorter battery life compared to corded vacuums. Users may need to pause frequently to recharge their vacuums. Less powerful. Cordless vacuums are generally less powerful than corded vacuums. This can make it more challenging to clean larger debris on certain surfaces. Higher cost. Cordless vacuums are more expensive than traditional vacuums. Purchasing a cordless vacuum requires a slightly higher investment. Choosing the right electric vacuum cleaner is an important decision for home cleaning. Selecting the correct vacuum will make cleaning your home easier and more efficient. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing an electric vacuum cleaner. Type of vacuum. Electric vacuum cleaners come in two main types: upright and canister. Upright vacuums allow for easy maneuverability around the house, while canister vacuums are usually more powerful and better suited for cleaning larger debris. Consider the size of your home and your cleaning needs to determine which type of vacuum is more suitable for you. Filtration system. The filtration system is crucial in preventing dust, pollen, and other pollutants from circulating in the air. High-performance filters like HEPA filters provide better air cleaning and may be a better option for individuals with allergies or asthma. Power. The power of the vacuum directly affects the efficiency of the cleaning process. Higher wattage vacuums may have more suction power, making it easier to clean larger debris. However, higher power consumption should also be taken into account. Robotic electric vacuum cleaners offer great convenience and practicality for home cleaning. These devices provide a range of features that can be programmed or controlled remotely for keeping your home clean. Here is some information about the features and usage of robotic electric vacuum cleaners. Automatic cleaning. Robotic vacuums have pre-programmed cleaning routines and scan every corner of your home. Once the cleaning process is completed, the vacuum returns to its charging station. Sensors. Robotic vacuums are equipped with sensors that can detect obstacles, minimizing the risk of collision and damage. Some models have sensors that can detect carpets and other surfaces. High suction power. Robotic vacuums have high suction power and can easily clean dust, dirt, and other residues in your home. To achieve energy efficiency while using an electric vacuum cleaner, here are some tips. Choose an energy-efficient vacuum. If you want to save energy, select an energy-efficient electric vacuum cleaner. Check the energy efficiency classification and opt for a product in the highest class. This will reduce your electricity consumption and lower energy usage. Use the right attachments. Using the correct attachments that come with your electric vacuum cleaner can contribute to energy savings. Select appropriate attachments for different surfaces such as carpets, hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, etc. Using the wrong attachments can make the vacuum motor work harder, increasing energy consumption. Keep the filters clean. Dirty filters can decrease the performance of the vacuum and cause the motor to consume more energy. Clean and replace filters regularly to ensure your vacuum operates efficiently. The environmental impact of electric vacuum cleaners starts with the materials used in their production and the energy consumption during the manufacturing process. However, this impact continues throughout the product's life cycle. The environmental impact of electric vacuum cleaners is directly related to the number and duration of cleanings performed in the home environment. The more cleaning is done, the more energy is consumed, and the more waste is generated. In conclusion, the environmental impact of electric vacuum cleaners depends on various factors from production to the product's lifespan. However, with manufacturers and users working towards sustainability goals, the environmental impact of these products can be reduced, promoting more sustainable use. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If there's a specific video you'd like me to make on economic history, don't forget to mention it in the comments section. I wish everyone a pleasant day.
Universal economic history.